Hey guys, Heather Straczynski here
Danielle Rodriguez with Roundtable Realty, and we are
at Taylorfield in Jacksonville. These are the Adams model homes, and we're going to show a couple of them to you today.
So we are going to go inside now and do a walkthrough, and you guys will be able to see what the models look like. We'll see you soon.
We have with us today Rachel Andrews from Adams Homes, and she's going to share with us the new development Taylorfield in Jacksonville.
How many different floor plans do you guys have?
14.
14 different floor plans. Okay.
And our next claim to fame is brick.
So we are standing in which model?
2265
2265. So all the models are named
by square footage.
by their square footage.
Yeah, that's pretty neat. What are your standard features?
Our standard features are laminate with high def countertops, laminate flooring, but of course you can always upgrade. One other thing about Adams in general is design center. Most builders give you 2 or 3 hours and that's it. Our design centers are in our communities, so you can take your time and make sure the colors are what you want.
That's a perk.
Awesome. How many houses are going to be going up in this development?
Only 54.
54 houses. Okay. So
And right now we have 2 inventory homes that are available, like move-in ready now.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have about 3 that'll be ready in January.
Okay.
And then a couple more for May.
Say they want to start from scratch. How long does that take?
It takes about 7 months.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Okay, that's not bad.
That's pretty quick.
Awesome.
The one we're in is set up really nice because your master's over here, and you've got like an in-law room with bathroom over to your right, and then you've got two other separate bedrooms. Everybody can be separated from each other, so everybody has privacy.
Right.
I like how that's set up like that.
And the prices of your models range from,
212,000.
so they start at 212,000. Okay.
3,000 square feet. You probably can still be under 300,000.
Oh, nice. Okay.
That's a great price
So
point.
3,000 square feet under 300,000.
Yes.
Great.
You want that new house, but think you can't afford it?
Right.
We're here to tell you you can.
And I know what we did to get here, if anybody is interested in coming and seeing, I just typed in Zane Michael Court and it brought us right here. So if you guys are interested in looking at the models, you guys can just Google or in Maps, Zane Michael Court, and it'll bring you right here and you can take a look.
So we want to thank Rachel
Thank you,
for
guys.
spending the
you
time
very
with us.
Yeah.
Again, it's Heather Straczynski with Roundtable Realty.
Danielle Rodriguez, bringing you around town.
See you later.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
This model is
2265.
2265.
So that means this one has 2,265 square feet.
We are going to go in. Show you what's inside. So you walk in, you have a dining space left. They are using, because this is the model, they are using this as their office. If you start to the left here, we have the master. Awesome.
How exciting. His and her closets.
This in her closets.
Love the bathroom. You've got your his and her sinks. You still have a huge tub in here and a nice shower. And then of course water closet. That's the nice thing that they didn't take out. They have the water closet in a separate area. They didn't put it right in with everything else. Really generous size.
They did do a great job with the kitchen. A lot of cabinets, a lot of space.
Big island.
Nice big island. From the main living space is the laundry. You have a full bath. So that's on the one side, and then on the other side of the kitchen here, you have another full bath, so it's 3 full baths. And then you have 2 bedrooms.
And this bathroom over here also has a door to the outside, so this could be your pool bath if you decide to put in a pool.
If you guys are in the market and you need to be in the 200s, Adams Homes in Taylorfield.
It's Heather Straczynski at 904-598-4656 and
Danielle Rodriguez at 908-447-1971.
with Roundtable Realty.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.